Hey everyone, Bob here. I'd just like to show you the training exercise that we have designed and implemented for our training for new forklift truck operators. This is a fresher training, a 5-day training or 40 hours training, which is 90% of the training includes practical exercises just like this one, driving the forklift truck around. This is based on RTITB standard of UK, which means Road Transport Industry Training Board, which is the usual standard where we have applied for our forklift truck training, fresher training. So the exercise include the operator driving around the curb. We have placed some plastic pallets in the middle, which serves as the curb. And we also place some pallets outside of the circumference, okay, on the corners, which the operator should avoid hitting while driving around. Okay, this is the second day of training, and we have implemented a training which would familiarize the operator not hitting the outside curb and the inner curb while moving around in forward direction, okay, with a loaded forklift truck. Okay, the important thing here is for the operator not to hit the curb and be familiarized with the the turning of the steering wheel, as this is different from the vehicle, which the uh, the steering wheel is in front. The forklift truck or counterbalance electric forklift truck is the steering is at the rear, at the back or at the rear. So the in terms of observation and in terms of the movement of that, in terms of maneuvering of the truck is quite different when you are driving a vehicle or let's say a car. So important thing here is for the operator to be always close to the curb so that the operator will have more, will have ample distance when he is moving around the corner as the forklift truck is swinging, especially the rear portion is swinging when the steering wheel is turning around, as well as the front load is also swinging when the operator is turning to the left, the rear side is swinging to the right. So this is important thing. The observation is most important for the forklift in order not to hit the curb. Just like that one, I almost hit the pallet outside. So the idea is to move closer to the inner curb in order for him to avoid hitting the outside, the other object outside. When it comes to VNA, very narrow aisles. So this is familiarization in terms of the movement of the steering wheel. Also, in terms of the forklift truck operator should be comfortable in doing in doing observation. Okay, 360 observation of 360 degrees observation of the surroundings. Very important in some especially in the warehouse operations where you have some narrow areas where you might hit the pallet rack system, and the pallet rack system will easily collapse if it is hit by a forklift truck. What the operator is doing now is trying to reverse the truck. Okay, and the more difficult thing for him to do is moving in reverse direction. So he's having difficulty now. As a matter of fact, he already hit the drums, in front. He hit the drums in front. This is a problem of not familiar with the turning of the steering wheel. So because this is the first time that he's driving a forklift truck, so that's why the other guy is moving the drum back to its proper place. So the operator now is actually trying to position the forklift truck so that it should be closer to the curb. Okay, that's why he's shunting back and forth.